What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy back, T1000, and I'm here to tell you 1000% of what's going on in the news today. So, let's start with CoinMarketCap.com. So, we are approximately 6 a.m. It is May 13th, 2019. So Bitcoin is sitting around $7,100. It is down 3.79% from the other day. So do a little quick Bitcoin rundown, run through, run up. Okay, check the charts out. Boom. So on May 3rd, we were sitting at 57. Boom, boom, boom. Dropped to 73 on the 12th. Oh, it's a big correction coming, guys. Big correction. Okay, let's see the correction. Oh, $300 correction. Then went up again, Sitting heavy right here. My prediction. What's your prediction, T? Well, here we go. My prediction is that it will go up, down a little bit, and it'll hover around this point, and maybe drop down somewhere around here. Then, once we get to about 6,300, you're going to see a shh, and we're going to be right back up here instantly. And then from there, shh, I think we'll cross 8,000. So my prediction is it is the 13th. I'm going to guess 8,000 June. Before the end of the month, we're going to be at 8,000. Not financial advice. You know, take what you want. This is just my opinion. So, whatever. Now, you got Ether. They're down too. XRP, they're holding pretty steady. 31 cents. Bitcoin Cash at 354. Wow. Litecoin 85, EOS 535. Still big up on EOS. I think they're gonna blow up. Stellar, ooh, they're holding steady. 10. I mean, they were just down. Cardano's holding steady too. 7 cents. Monero, they're up a little bit. Dash, whoa, Dash. What's up with Dash? 129 bucks. Where'd Dash come from? Okay, so the low that I recently remember, December, Dash was 60 bucks. 130? Whoa. Some pretty good growth, guys. I don't know. Dash, you know, you gotta remember, all-time high was 1,600. 1,600. I mean, that it potentially, I don't know if it'll go back up to the all-time high, but that's kind of what I believe. And once it does, whew, there's about 10x. 10x on your money, so. You got Dash. Dash. Dashy Dash. IOTA, they're doing alright. Holding there. Tezos. Cosmos. Whatever this Cosmos. I don't know. They came out of nowhere. I don't even know what to say about these guys. They're just. Man. March 19, pretty new. So they never even experienced a bull run yet. So they're about 4. Total supply 237. Circulating 190. Just by those numbers, what's market cap? You get $1 billion market cap almost. I could see that going to $40, $50. Maybe even higher, but looks about right to me. Well, there's a top little rundown on that. Let's see the highs and the lows. You got Binance. I imagine they jumped up because I think they're reopening their trading right now. BTT, BitTorrent, I don't know. Let's see, Horizon. Oh, Horizon, that's 12. Okay. Pundy. Dash, okay. Not too much, nothing too crazy, but, you know, whatever. Ah, there's that Jamaican Continental. Got 17 cents. I'm not sure about that. True Chain, down 10%. Factum, 9. Bitcoin. Redcoin. Crypto Chain, Bitcoin Diamond. Okay. DZX. That's a gold-backed coin. DZX. DigiByte. Okay. So, let's get into the news. You have... Let's see what CoinDesk is talking about. From crypto winter to DeFi. Let's see what he has to say. Michael J. Casey. This is from last night. Whatever transpires this year at Consensus Conference, it's safe to say it'll be nothing like last year's. A number of crypto millionaires chose Consensus New York Blockchain Week to show the fruits they have taken a crazy price bubble ended months earlier. Though they represented a small minority, their ostentatious displays of Lambos to the moon, all decadent, all-night boat parties, outsized influence. Okay. Don't recommend buying a Lambo because, you know, the cost of maintenance is going to be ridiculous, and I don't think it's worth it. So you're better off just holding. Hold. The post-bubble mantra was build, not hold, and it seems a call to arms be taken serious by builders in the crypto community. A year that marked 10-year anniversary since the launch of Bitcoin was exciting. Learning from the mistakes. Bitcoin peaked around 20K, low around 3 grand. 94% drop. But that's cool. You gotta hold. November, you got Floyd Money Mayweather and we the best DJ Khaled. They were fined by the SEC because they got a nice kickback for pumping a fecal matter coin. So yeah, Tether, they ran into some issues. So, I mean, honestly, you can totally see, now when they come with the atomic swap, which uses smart contracts and multi-sig technologies to enable seamless peer-to-peer asset exchanges without any one party having to control both assets at any time. Wow. So once that hits, moon. Bitcoin to the moon. Lightning Network. Okay, they're still slowly rolling. Members of the Bcash now split itself completely fork currencies. Mocked Lightning torch carriers for struggling to find liquid open channels, otherwise small transactions. Yeah, so then that's when they switched to Satoshi's Vision. Ooh, and I'm not a big fan of SV, so they need to SV off out of here. So, nothing really much they talked about. Interesting article if you want to read, Coindesk.com. So, let's see what else is going on in the news today. So nothing too special I see here. These are a little bit old. So let's go here actually. This is what I want to do. Okay. So you got the bull himself, TD, Tim Draper. He's draped in Bitcoin. So let's see what he's talking about. Billionaire investor Tim Draper has pretty good things to say about Bitcoin. He loves the prediction. He's going optimistic. He expects the price of Bitcoin to be $250 by 2023. And he may be right, or maybe sooner than that. So In a recent interview at SALT conference in Las Vegas, Tim Draper says, and I quote, "It's going to keep going because I'm a believer that in 4 years, something like that, Bitcoin will be about 5% of the market share of Earth." What? So he's predicting that Bitcoin takes 5% of the global market cap of all currency. So yeah, that's going to be trillions. Trillions. What else does he say? Perhaps not as grand as good old John McAfee claimed Bitcoin would hit 1 million by 2020, but nonetheless, it's a bold prediction. Yeah. I don't know about that. Like I said, I'm not, this isn't investment advice, but if that's their opinion, they're entitled to it, and there's nothing wrong with that. I hope it does. Hope it does. So that's the news from TD. Okay, now let's check out. This is from a couple days ago, but I'll still read it for you guys. XRP is a sleeping giant. And they really are, too. XRP, with institutions such as the World Bank, IMF, EU Commission on board actively working with Ripple, XRP is seemingly, yep. Let's see, highlighted the World Bank, youch. Oh, okay. Even praised Ripple's X-Rapid pilot program in the U.S.-Mexico corridor. Nothing that involved financial institutions saved between 40 and 70% on foreign exchange rates and drove down payment times to around 2 minutes, opposed to a few days. So that's huge, man. Final thoughts. What they saying? Ripple's 200-plus institutional clients. Yeah, they're extremely bullish, man. Right now, they're about 30 cents. If I had a little bit of extra money laying around, I would probably get some Ripple. I'm not wrong with that. Invest in blockchain. I hear the boys, but I've been banking that Deutsche, according to Jay-Z. So, look at this. Deutsche Bank exec joins crypto bank supported by Binance as CEO. Founders Bank, a crypto bank, has been invested in by Binance, has hired a former executive of Deutsche, and its CEO will begin his role in June. Whoa. With CZ, you can follow him on Twitter as CZ Binance. So let's see what he's saying. We're not only excited, one of the first investors, exclusive community pioneering. I'm not even going to read this because I thought it was going to be a lot more, but hey, Deutsche Bank exec joins crypto bank. Gaining steam, taking it more serious. The man, the myth, Mike Novogratz. See what Nova's got to say. So I think he took a big dump on Litecoin. Okay, so let's see what he says. Galaxy Digital Finder, former hedge manager Mike Novogratz, speaking at the 2019 Ethereum Summit, has a sobering vision for Bitcoin in the future, saying that the top digital asset will not change the world by itself, being a store of value. Novogratz made a speech on May 11th. He said Bitcoin's use case kind of finished as far as we're concerned, but had established a store of value. And I agree with that. He's right, because unless they make some major changes to Bitcoin, like and turn it into an Ethereum-based, ecosystem, or a Tron-esque ecosystem, or EOS, or something along the lines of that. I don't really know if you can build any apps or dApps on top of Bitcoin at the moment, but maybe in the future, you never know. So I'm 50-50 on what Novogratz is talking about here. But he said for the arrival of Web 3.0, a decentralized web, that would change the world. Platforms like Ethereum, game changer. And I agree. Speaking about altcoins in the market, Lumen said there is no one building anything on Litecoin blockchain. He previously recommended selling Litecoin. Call it a glorified testnet for Bitcoin. And I kind of agree with that. You got a Litecoin halving coming up soon in August, and I believe the price is going to go up. People are going to buy it, but, when everything gets shooken up and, all the stuff falls to the bottom and everything rises to the top, I don't think it's going to be Litecoin, personally. So, yeah, there you go. Mike Novogratz. No one's building on Litecoin, and he's right. It may be BZZ, gone. I don't know. So let's see what they're talking about. I really dislike that guy right there. Oh man, crook. He's a big crook, crookedy crook. So let's check out what this is saying. This is this behind the latest 25 billion Bitcoin and price rally? I don't know. Let's see what Billy Brambaugh, contributor, crypto and blockchain, is talking about. Bitcoin's been soaring over the weekend, boasting most major cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, XRP, EOS, and Bitcoin Cash, adding some 25 billion to the overall cryptocurrency, taking it over 200 billion first time this year. Bitcoin's over 7 grand, beginning at under 4,000. Over the weekend, major Bitcoin notice whales moved a staggering amount of digital tokens, potentially pushing the market higher, with the single biggest whale moving 47,000. Wow, 343 million. I had to slap myself in the face because I should have that much Bitcoin, but, I didn't take it seriously back then. So, whatever. You can't do nothing about it now. So, traded whales moved around 100,000 Bitcoin. So, it moved a lot of money around. So, what does that mean? What does that all mean, guys? Large Bitcoin and crypto transactions can prop up the market, with the holders not selling via online exchanges, but opting to continue holding digital tokens, which is known as hodling. Yeah, we know that. Bitcoin holders are continuing to hold the asset despite the price going up, doubling since this year. Of course it's going to do that. No one's going to sell. Why would you sell? You remember the guy that sold his Apple stock. Bitcoin climbed even higher as the market pressed 40 million Bitcoin been stolen. Yeah. So I thought that $40 million stolen was going to send it down, but had no effect. So imagine if that didn't happen. It might have been, we might be looking at $9,000 Bitcoin. We don't know. We don't know. So you got the coin census running out this week, so he occasionally holds a small amount of Bitcoin and other, and there's nothing wrong with that, Hold. But that's the news for today, and let's take a look at our sponsor here. So you have GorillaCaseStore.com. Check them out. All the latest aluminum, waterproof, metal, all kinds of cases. Great company, great products, fast shipping. Highly recommend. Wonderful company. And I recently bought something, so shout out to Gorilla Cases. Any emails, send them an email right there, GorillaCaseStore.com. Phone number, call that. Second sponsor today is Canoplies.com. They sell 100% natural, organic, non-GMO, non-psychoactive CBD oils and other creams and pain relievers and other things. You want a little bit of help with your anxiety? Hit up Canoplies. You want to take a nice bath and, sit in some CBD and let it absorb and, make your skin smooth and soft and nice. Hit up Canoplies. Organic hemp butter. That's a really good thing because you can cook with it. You can do all kinds of stuff with that. And it's has CBD in it. It's made from a hemp plant. Non-psychoactive, no THC, won't get you high, won't even get you buzzed. They got CBD hemp coffee. You know, but sometimes you drink some coffee, you get a little anxious, maybe get your heart rate up a little bit. You know, not with that. You know, you drink some of that and it kind of mellows you out, but yeah, you still are energetic enough to get your work done and, you know, do everything else. Free shipping on orders, got coupons, discounts, 24/7 support, 30-day returns, depending on whatever product. So I believe they got a sale going, and if you guys want to check them out, check them out. Link will be in the description. And also, you guys looking for some stuff for your pets? Calming chews. Got everything, guys. They got everything. So once again, thank you so much for your time. It's your boy T1000 checking out, and Bitcoin to the moon.